Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into AAS Abroad easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for AAS Abroad. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the Login button at the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will now see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address into the designated field. Now, move on to the password field. Type in your account password carefully. Once both fields are filled in, double-check for any errors. Click the Submit or Login button to access your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your dashboard. If you encounter any issues, check for typos in your email or password. For forgotten passwords, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once logged in, explore your account for necessary information. And that concludes how to log into AAS Abroad. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.